Namaste. In this video, we are going to discuss how to construct TM for a language A power n, B power n, where n is greater than 0. Okay. So, we will be first defining the concept and draw its transition diagram. Okay. So, let us first design a TM for AB. It is A power 1, B power 1, where n equals to 1. So, and the simple concept of this is we replace A by any alphabet you can use. Okay, I am using S, and B by T. Okay, and after replacing, I replace one A by S, then one B by S at a time. Okay, so when there occurs A, then we do not change order edge until we change single B into T. Okay, that's the simple concept. So I am in Q naught, and when A arrives, okay, I am replacing it by S and move to right. So this A becomes S and it becomes B. Yes, like this. So next one is Q1. When we move to right, so first point was like this, A, B. So I was here, and when Q naught we realize A, then we move to right by replacing it by S. So now we are in this point Q1. So again in Q1 I am replacing B by T. Yes, so when B arrives, T, and I am moving left, and this is state number Q2. Yes, replace first A by S, and when there occurs first B, I replace it by T and move left. That means I am coming to this position. Yes, so when S arrives, I move to Q naught. Okay, when S arrives and I do not replace it, I move to right. So as I am moving to right, so it becomes here. And in Q naught, when T arrives, I do not replace it, okay, and move right. So, and we know that in TM, the input tape consists of blank symbol. Yes, like this. So I am moving to Q3, and when in Q3 I get blank symbol, okay, I do not replace it and no direction, I move to final state, that is QF. So this is a simple concept. Okay, when A arrives, I replace it by S and move right, and afterward when B arrives, I replace it by T and move left direction, and again when we get S, that means A is replaced by SS, we move right. That means if one A is replaced by S, then one B is replaced by T. Okay, so this TM accepts this A and B, AB. Okay, let us use same TM for A, B, B. What happens? Let's check. So I am in Q naught. When A arrives, we replace it by S and move right. Like this, it's happened. So we need B to replace. Yes. So since A arrives, until B comes, we do not change the state and change the input symbol. That means until B comes, that means if A arises, we do not change anything. Yes, first A is changed and B arises. So next state is S, A, and next is here. So first B arises, we replace it by T and move left. So I am writing here, okay. We replace B by T and move left. That means A arises. Yes. So A arises. That means until we get S, we have to do nothing. Okay. So that means A arises. That means here we have to check until A arises, we do nothing and move to left, not right, okay, sorry, left. So when S, so it goes to here, okay, S, A, T, and it is B, S. So when S arises, we again move to Q naught. Now, okay, right, yes, so right, that means it goes to S, A, right, T, B. Now similar process occurs. When A arises, it is replaced by S, so it is S and move right, so T, B. So we do not get B here, that means we get T. That means until B is accounted, we do not do nothing, so that means T. So again new rule is T, T, R. So when B arises, we replace it by T and move left. So S, okay, first it was like this, and when B arises, we move left. Yes, I am writing here, okay. S, T, replace it by T. So when B arises, I am moving left and replace it by T. Here there do not account A, and we are accounting T. So until we get S, we have to do nothing. That means T, left. So we get S, SR. Yes, and in Q naught, so left, that means we got to here S, right, okay, it's okay. Now we get T. So when T is there, we move to right and next T, yes. So until we get blank symbol, we do not do nothing. Sorry, it is come. And we get blank symbol at last. So this accepts A, B. Okay, let's check does it accept for triple A, triple B or not. So I am writing it in larger form, okay, the transition diagram. Q naught, Q1, Q2. So it was like this. Yes, S, R. Okay, and it was like this. Q3, T, R. It was T, R. QF when blank symbol arises. Yes, blank symbol, no direction. Okay, A, S, R. A, R, T, R. Yes, it was B, T, L, and it was A, L, T, L. Now let us check it for triple A, triple A, triple. Yes, so I am in this state. Okay, So when Q naught there arise A on input tape, then we replace it by S and move right. So replace it by S and move right. That means here. Yes. So until B arises, we are in Q1 state and move right. Yes, this says that. So until B arises, that means A, okay, B arises, B. Now B is replaced by T and move left. So as A, move left means this B. Yes. So it tells that until S arises, we move left. That means when S arises here, A, T, B. So when S arises, we do not do nothing and move to right. Okay. So move to right means S, A, T, B. Now Q naught. So we are in Q naught, again A, S. So we replace it by S and move right. S and move right. And until B arises, we do nothing. So that means S, A, T, B. So when B arises, we replace it by T and move left. So S, A, T. So B is replaced by T and move left. This is B. And here again we are in Q2. Yes. So until S arises, we move to left. That means S, A, T, B. Yes. And again when S arises, we move to right. S, T, B. Yes. So when A arises, we replace it by S, and move right until the B arises. Yes. Okay. And when B arises, we replace it by T and move left. Okay, move left B. So sorry, it is T. And when until S arises, we move to left. So S, T. And when S arises, we move right. Yes. Okay, I am writing here. It becomes like S, T. So when T arises, we move right until we do not get blank. That means at last it was blank. Yes. So we move to like this. So T blank. And when we blank state, we move to final state. So the concept is simple. For equal number of A, we replace S with equal number of B replaced by T. Okay. It does not delete the input symbol like as in PDA, but it can work as like PDA. Okay. Thank you. And we will be discussing for A power n, B power n, C power n in next video. That was not accepted by PDS. It is not accepted by PDA, and that is accepted by TM. So TM is stronger. Okay. And we will be discussing how to construct TM for A power n, B power n, C power n. And please write the transition rules for the TM, like delta consists of by using this transition diagram. Okay. Thank you and bye bye.